Hi friends, today I will show you how to build a real online business. A business you can make like $100 per day without writing any single word. Almost. Without blogging, without articles, without writing. I will show you everything from scratch, from building till promoting and making money online. And all this in a couple of minutes, so stay tuned and let's start. So what is the idea? It's really super simple. We are going to build a website, not a blog. We don't have any content. We are going to create a website in like 1 hour and you can launch a business with directly. I will share with you 3 types of websites you can start right now without writing any piece of content. Let's start and show you these 3 types. Then I will show you how to promote them and grow your business with these websites. Number 1 is what we call a database website. If you go here to this website here, affiliateprogramdb.com. It's not mine, it's an example, a real example of database website. It's simply a website that shows affiliate programs. So if you go here, best affiliate programs, of course we have ads, they make money with ads. You will see they just share affiliate programs here. You can click and join. They make money with ads and with affiliate links. How to build similar websites? Of course, I don't mean affiliate programs. I mean any kind of database website. It might be something related to your niche. So number 1 is to develop this yourself, but we want something easier. You can simply go to codecanyonhere.com to PHP scripts and search for database scripts. You'll find a lot of things ready for you. You can buy, get and host. Or simply you can search for directory. This is what I did. I searched for directory and I found this one here, Link Directory Pro. If you open this, you can see I bought the license. I have one now. If you open it, you will see it's a website where you can share links. You can organize links and share these links. You can use this script to build similar website, database website. Right now, I bought the script. I started a new business with this script and soon I will share with you the full case study, what I'm doing, the niche, everything. Maybe you can clone my work. So don't forget the notifications to get every new update. Anyway, so this is the first method or the first website type, which is a directory or a database website. You can see on each super tools here, this is my website. I built this tool, Top Affiliate Programs. It's a simple tool, a table showing affiliate links. Also, I built this Find Influencer Tools, a tool that shows influencers. You can click and connect with them, maybe for influencer marketing or something. So it's simply a table showing data. You can show any type of data in your niche to help people find something. And then you can monetize your website with affiliate, with ad spaces or whatever. Now the third method to build such websites, like I did here, this table, is to use WordPress. I explained this in detail, how to build database table and add data in this video here. You can check it, watch, it's a full course, step by step if you want. So this is the first type of website, database and directory websites. Type number 2. The second type of websites is what we call a tool website, but combined with scarcity or curiosity marketing. What do I mean? Let's take an example. If you go now and open this website, whatismyipaddress.com, you will see a website showing you your IP, geolocation, and so on. You can see it's monetized with ads, so these people are making money with ads. And if you look at the middle of the screen, you will see your private information is exposed. Hide my IP now. This is what we call something that stimulates curiosity. So if you click on this button now, it will take you to this page to hide your IP, and you will see now VPNs with affiliate links. So this is what we call something in marketing stimulating you to click and buy to protect yourself or something. And by the way, maybe sometimes you received a notification on your phone in danger, or you have a virus or something. Those are CPA marketers. You can do the same if you want. They send these messages and tell you that you may be exposed to viruses or something, and you need to install an application. It's a free application you can install, but with CPA marketing, they make money per install. You don't need to buy the application. When they install or I install, the CPA marketer will make a commission. This is one of the most popular strategies in push notification CPA marketing. So this is a bonus step also in this video. Another strategy you can test if you want with CPA marketing. So this is the second type of website. What I did is I tried to clone this strategy. So I created this website, What's My IP, and you can see now in this website you'll see these links here. Protect your privacy, you are exposed. If you click, it will take you to an affiliate offer. I am promoting here a VPN also, the affiliate offer. You can see NordVPN. This is my affiliate link. So I'm trying to clone this strategy in my own website, a new website I created recently last week. And by the way, a lot of people ask me, almost every single day I get this question, how we can promote tools websites without content like 8 Super Tools and similar websites. I'll explain this in a little bit. I will show you how to grow such website, how I'm getting 1 million visits to my website 8 Super Tools without content, without blogging, without writing articles, how to grow a tools website. Just some patience, please. So the second type of website is a tool website. You can monetize with ads or affiliate marketing or maybe premium membership, whatever. You can combine it with scarcity marketing or curiosity marketing. Type number 3 is what we call an affiliate website. What I did also, if you go here to Code Canyon, let me go here to my download section. I bought a script also like 10 days ago. I'm running now a test, a new test. This is the link. I bought this script. If you open it, you will see it's an affiliate website. What do I mean? Let's open this one. Let's say this page. You can see now this website is just showing offers, products. These are affiliate products. If you click here and then click on buy now, it's an affiliate link. You will make commission when someone buys through your website. So we don't have blog here, we have only affiliate offers. Also, I'm doing this right now. I bought the website. I am building similar website. I will share with you all the details soon, the full case study. So don't forget the notifications to get my new case studies and results. So these are the 3 types of websites you can build without blogging and start a business online. Now the big question is how to promote these websites, how to grow these websites, how to get traffic to these websites. Let's solve this problem. Before I tell you how and solve this problem, I have a gift for you. Go to 8supertools.com, then to the more section here and click on web analytics. I have this free service for you. Just sign up. I will log in now to my account. Sign up, log in, it's totally free, nothing to pay. And then you can add your website here to track your traffic. You can see like here 8 Super Tools. Today I got like 19,000 page views, 4,000 visitors today. You can track events, behavior, acquisitions, geographic, everything in real time in a simple, clean dashboard. It's totally free. Go and join this service and start tracking your traffic to see how it's improving. Add your website today and apply the strategy I explained in a little bit, then see how your traffic will grow. So you add your website, you are ready now to start promoting and getting traffic. The first method is what we call influencer marketing. So one of my tools, SEOanalyzer.me, maybe if you are following, you know it. It's my tool. It's a free tool for SEO analysis. If you go here to SimilarWeb, you can see it's getting and growing. Now we have 246,000 visits the last month. This tool simply grew with influencers. A lot of people shared this tool on YouTube in their channels. You can contact YouTubers, Instagram influencers or whatever and tell them to promote your tool. In some cases you can collaborate for free in exchange of something, or sometimes you can pay for this promotion. It depends on the type of collaboration you want to make with the influencer. The second method is simply SEO. So the first step you're going to do here is to go to Google Search Console and add your website. Google Search Console, sign up if you don't have an account, and then simply add your website here. If you go here to 8 Super Tools, for example, you will see this is my results for the last 3 months. So you can tell Google to index your website and start showing it in the search results, and you can track your performance, how much traffic you are getting from Google. Now, after you add your website here inside Google Console or Search Console, you will do some keyword research. I prefer to follow up exactly what I'm going to tell you right now. You can go here to ubersuggest.com for Neil Patel and simply sign in, create a free account and sign in, and then click here on keywords by traffic in the keywords section. What you are going to do here is to find 2 or 3 competitors that have the same tool as you or similar tools like you. For example, my website is 8 Super Tools. One of my competitors is Small SEO Tools. Another website with a lot of tools. It's a great website, by the way. So this is my competitor in terms of a tools website, providing similar tools. So I will copy this URL, I will paste it here, and then click on search. Now this tool, Ubersuggest, will show you what are the best keywords that this website is ranking for with search volume and SEO difficulty. What you can do here simply is go here SEO difficulty and set it to easy, and then you can find some easy to rank keywords. You can develop tools based on this keyword, or simply if you have the tool already, you can optimize the page based on this keyword to rank and break the competition to be on the top results on Google. After you get the keyword to rank for, you can go here to Phrase.io, one of the best tools to optimize your content. I will log into also my account. Simply here in the documents, you can create a new document, then paste the target keyword or the target search query here. For example, what do we find here? Rewrite article. If I click here, rewrite article. What's nice also here, you can target by country if you want. So here we have the countries also. Make sure to match them in both tools, create document, and now Phrase will get you top competitors. Click on let's go and tell you how to optimize. I explained this in one of my videos before, but I believe the idea is simple. It requires some dedication, like 1, 2, 3 months to optimize your website based on these keywords to rank and break the competition to get traffic from Google. Click on optimize here and start optimizing based on Phrase metrics. Now, how to get your competitors? You can use websites like SimilarWeb. If you go here, click on website traffic and simply enter your website. Let's say my website now, hsupertools.com. Open it, go down here, and you'll find some competitors. You can see, you can find some competitors, you can check them, analyze their websites, and try to rank on Google using these tools I shared with you. The third method to get traffic to a tool's website other than influencer marketing and SEO is to explode and tell the world about your tool. How? You can simply use the traffic explosion method. It's free. You can check it in this video here. Don't forget, if you have any questions, I'll be waiting for you in the comments section below. Don't forget to smash the like button, notifications to get every new update.